It has 120 of like every kind of standard fastener you're gonna find in a car. Okay, listen, I'm coming to you because we've all done this before. You wanna set up a new stereo in your car, run some wires, maybe even just fix a rattle or something like that, and you never have the right tools, right? You're going for the screwdriver, you're worried you're gonna break something, scratch something. It's always a giant mess. And then once you get something off, maybe it breaks a little bit or stretches and you need just a new fastener for it, and you never have the right parts. So I believe this here will be the answer. Let's take a look at it and we'll talk about it and see if it's the answer for you. I know I am thrilled to have this here. That's why I bought this. All right, so should we start with the tools or should we start with the fasteners? I think because I am so excited about the fasteners, I'm gonna start with the tools first. So let me show you this kit. So inside of this kit comes with pretty much every kind of tool you could possibly want to work with, right down and including 2 booger pickers. Don't tell Nikki because she steals all my booger pickers. They're so hard to keep them. But check it out. I got 2 new booger pickers, pries, some pliers, some specialized tools for the fasteners. Speaking of those fasteners, let's kind of quickly go over it. Check this out. See this bag? This bag has 120 of like every kind of standard fastener you're going to find in a car. I think that's really cool, really helpful. In addition, it comes with the little rubberized grommets to keep everything nice and quiet, which is cool. My next favorite piece is the 3M secured hooks for routing wires and that kind of stuff. And my personal kind of like favorite is, you ever notice every once in a while you have like the permanently installed zip ties, which are just perfect, and once you cut them and once you break it, it's gone, not gonna work right? Not anymore, my friends. Check them out. You got a whole bag of them, so you could break a whole bunch of them and still have a supply. So yeah, if you're looking for a great kit that's gonna really help you work on fastening automotive parts, and obviously you can use these tools. These tools, like I told you, Nikki steals my booger picker. There are 100 different uses for all these different tools, but watch the booger pickers with your wife because they will steal them if they're at all into crafting. In any case, this is a great way to start if you want to use the proper tools and be able to actually enjoy fixing stuff and doing your new stereo or running some wires in your car. This really makes life much easier, and for the price, you can't go wrong with it. Speaking of that, down in this description below is a link to get it, which actually helps the channel out. A little percentage of that we make, which allows me to buy this stuff to bring it to you, to show you cool stuff that I found. In any case, I'm going to say thank you in advance. Please use that link. And then while you're down there, remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos with cool tools like this. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.